Hi, I'm Doug Camaro, the Regional Sales Manager,
And I'm Greg Sims, the Regional Service Manager.
and we'd like to welcome you to our York Factory Direct Source One store today.
There's a fine line between attention to detail and obsession. At York, we've harnessed the power of obsession to deliver breakthrough ideas. It takes research, design, testing, because some lines are meant to be crossed. We get it. We crossed it. Introducing the new LX Series residential split systems. More than 125,000 hours of research, design, and testing. With every part investigated, every facet scrutinized, every function analyzed. To bring you the most durable, serviceable, and cost-effective product range in our history. Expert engineering and advanced materials deliver systems that use less electricity and fewer natural resources. Practical innovations make the new LX Series residential split systems the easiest you'll ever work with. Extreme engineering, relentless attention to detail, and a healthy obsession with quality. The new LX Series residential split systems don't just cross the line, they set the bar.
Hi, my name is Edward. I'm the Parts and Supply Manager here for York Source One. I want to welcome you to our new store here in Cape Girardeau. And make sure when you're in our store you browse the shelves and see what we got. And if we don't have what you need, please let us know. We'll be glad to provide it for you. Make sure you ask for the daily specials. We will have specials, here and there. So make sure you do that. And if you got any questions, please feel free to call me. Thanks.
My name's Jamie. I handle the warranties. I hope you enjoy your new Cape location.
Through intelligent design, cutting-edge materials, and best-in-class processes, the Max Alloy Coil is built to deliver lasting performance, efficiency, and reliability you can count on. An important factor in a coil's reliability is inhibiting corrosion, and building the best products requires the best materials. We've utilized the latest technology in metallurgy and newly developed alloys to create an anti-corrosion system that outperforms other standard alloy aluminum coils. Superior alloy results in a superior product. During manufacturing, keeping copper particles from intimate contact with aluminum is critical in preventing corrosion. We employ dedicated equipment and processes that eliminate any copper to aluminum contamination to create a longer-lasting, more dependable coil.
One of the steps in fabricating a coil is the expansion process, and this is where the tubing is expanded to contact the fin. Now, processing aluminum is uniquely different than other alloys such as copper. Aluminum oxide is very abrasive, and we employ a variety of different lubricants to allow the bullet to glide through the tubing and retain the internal geometry, the enhancements, to make efficient heat transfer possible.
To achieve quality braze points, any lubricants used during the expansion process must be removed. Remaining lubricants on the tubes and fins could contaminate the braze joint and cause leaks. A thermal degreasing process is used to heat, incinerate, and vaporize the lubricants, leaving clean materials ready to form an optimal braze joint for a leak-free coil. Accurate coil circuiting impacts long-term coil performance and operation. Our new best-in-class testing procedure uses an automated vision system that is redundant to human checks to verify that coils are always circuited accurately. Every circuit is tested every time before brazing. Brazing aluminum is uniquely different from other alloys in that the temperature window between the alloy and the base metal is less than 100 degrees, requiring close control of brazing temperature for an effective joint. Our special braze oven has temperature data feedback in 4 unique zones to accurately control penetration of the alloy in the braze joint, creating a consistent joint for years of leak-free operation in the field. Once the individual slabs are brazed, the coil is ready for final assembly. Remaining circuiting is brazed with the use of special miniature dual torch tips. This process allows our technicians to control optimum temperature and position of heat for alloy penetration, enabling them to successfully and consistently form brazing in the midst of complicated circuiting. To eliminate the concern for microscopic leaks that would otherwise be caused by overheating the adjacent tubes, this technology concentrates the heat in a specific area for proper alloy penetration in the joint for strength and integrity.
Once we've completed all the brazing on this unit, we're going to check it in a chamber helium mass spectrometer. The reason we use a chamber is we want to be able to capture all the leaks that may exist on any of the braze joints. We do this to ensure leak-free operation throughout the life of this unit.
Building heating and cooling equipment you can trust requires a commitment to continuous improvement and an uncompromising approach to quality. Every detail of the Max alloy coil has been designed and manufactured to stand up to the most demanding environments and deliver trouble-free operation throughout the life cycle of the unit.
We know your reputation is on the line. That's why we make quality products you can depend on.
Hi, I'm Karen Fine. For all your commercial needs, please don't hesitate to contact me anytime. Good luck with the new Cape Girardeau location.
Hi, my name is Kevin Harmon. I'm the Commercial Territory Manager for York and the St. Louis region. I want to welcome you all to the new Cape Girardeau store. I want to let you know that in our commercial product line, we carry up to 50-ton splits and 40-ton package units, and we welcome any opportunity to quote your projects. We also have chiller parts. We do anything commercial, so give us a call. Give me a call at 314-591-6070. Thanks again for coming in.
This particular product gives the dealers an opportunity to quickly go on a job, take off the old competitive units and put these right back in place very quickly.
The CDR unit was designed to be the best available in the industry. From the inception of the program, we focused on the robustness of the design, partnering with the best suppliers, investing heavily in the manufacturing facilities, and also providing world-class support in the field.
Our focus is really to get out in front of everybody else that builds products that we compete against. Quality expectations should be higher, and we want to lead that charge. From the design process through the phase gates that we have, not only do we really focus on having the necessary tools in place, but testing them, getting the prototypes manufactured, putting those in the test cells, and really finding the weaknesses at the prototype level so we know what improvements need to be made before we go into the complete design.
The rails themselves roll form, so the competition uses single pieces that are screwed together. This is one solid section. What this does is obviously give you a very strong and heavy structure for the base of the product. These embossments, and this was on a punch press, and all that does is add strength to the base of this product. The strength there is to keep the vibration and noise down to a minimum.
When we know that our product's ready to go out the door on the first day of launching our product, we know that it meets our quality standards beyond the shadow of a doubt. The things that we're putting in place are getting us to that level of leading our industry.
Quality means it does last a long time. So that's the reliability piece of it. And it really needs to be reliable through the whole lifetime of the product.
This is the main control that we're calling our Simplicity Smart Equipment. It's the unit-based control that takes over management of all of the various components in the unit. The majority of the installations are done with just basic thermostats. So we made sure that there was a lot of access and availability to get to your thermostat connection. A lot of unit-based controls just simply have LED lights that flash to kind of tell you what the control is doing. We moved away from the LEDs to actually having an LCD display. One of the features we've added is we now have what we call a map gateway that we can plug into the control that then turns your unit into a wireless hotspot. And everybody knows what that is. They can now pull out their smart device, their tablet or their iPhone, and now instead of having to look at just an LCD screen, now I'm going to be looking at my iPad, tying into just through a basic internet browser, be able to get in and do all my commissioning and setup and programming right from my smart device. And if you've got a number of units on the roof and they're all tied together through that building automation system, you only need one wireless gateway to gain access to all of the units on the roof. We've also added some connectivity such that you can actually program through USB a simple flash drive. The connectivity piece allows them to begin to look at some of the advanced operations. Maybe they want to get into programming where they're doing schedules. Well, this control now allows them to have scheduling where they can drop sensors down into the space and program the building to operate based upon time schedules.
Ease of installation is an important part of what we try and do when we launch a new product to make it easy for the installing technicians.
This product is designed to go on top of a competitive roof curb from 3 to 12.5 tons. What that allows the dealer or the customer to do is quickly lift off the old competitive product and replace it with this without any what we call a roof curb transition.
It makes perfect sense. To be able to direct replace a unit saves me time and money. It also cuts my customers' costs and makes me have a better sales opportunity.
A lot of things that matter to the overall experience that our customers have with our units. It's not just about a unit that performs, it's something that they can be proud of when they install it. That's all part of our focus of improving the experience that our customers are going to have with this product.
Bottom line is the customer experience. If we're successful with that, if they have a trouble-free installation, trouble-free first year of operation, we know we'll be successful.